Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy horizontal data and paste vertical in Google Sheet. So let's start to first open your Google Sheet and select your data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. And the second way, simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the shortcut key Ctrl A to select here entire data. Then right click of the mouse and click on the copy. You can use here the Ctrl C to copy your data. Okay. After that, select the cell where you want to paste this data in vertical. Okay. So here I select the cell and right click of the mouse. Then click on the paste spatial and here click on the transposed. Okay. And you can see your data is converted in vertical. Okay. Horizontal to vertical. And the second way you can use the function also. I just select the cell here, use the is equal to and use here the transpose function. Okay. Then select the range of data. And after that, press the enter key and that's it. Here you can see your data is converted in vertical format. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.